Nanababo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check
Guys,
out.
for today's vlog, I'm really excited kasi actually, na-visit na natin yung mga food na nasa likuran namin. Guys, we're here at Spencer's Fusion, located po dito sa Savers Mall, Balibago, Angeles City. This is at their 4th floor.
Yes.
Meron silang Friday, Saturday night buffet. So if you wanna know more about this, we're gonna show you all the food that they cater here. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
And right now, we were invited kasi nga meron po silang night buffet every Friday and Saturday lamang to. So what do we have, brother?
Iba't ibang cuisine. So meron Japanese, Chinese, American, and syempre yung Filipino. Meron tayo dyan.
So that's why they call it fusion.
Yes.
However, let me give you a trivia. So si Spencer's po, parang ano yan, sister company niya si Fortune Restaurant, one of the oldest Chinese restaurants.
Hindi mawawala dyan yung soup.
Soup,
Meron tayong chicken spinach.
chicken spinach.
Potato and leeks.
Potato and later, I think I'm gonna try this one. No?
Yes.
Sarap. Very.
Syempre meron mga salads dito. Syempre wala kang nagdadaya. Meron tayong
Oozing.
meron tayong siomai, chicken feet, yung mga dumplings, yan. Daming choices. And syempre, ito naman Japanese, mga makis. Meron tayong smoked chicken barbecue. So, syempre mga main dishes natin, meron tayong mga rice, meron tayong pancit canton. To, syempre.
This is a special pancit canton.
Pancit canton ng ng Spencer's yan. Yan. Meron tayo dito yung black bean tofu, sweet and sour.
Na-intrigue ako sa pangalan nito.
Yes, this is buta kakuni.
Butakakuni.
This is a Japanese cuisine naman.
Yung one of the favorite ng mga Pinoy, brother.
Actually, ito, one of my favorite din.
Caldereta.
Caldereta. So, meron tayo itong
USDA.
Roast beef belly.
Wow.
Meron tayong chicharones and roasted chicken. So, next thing to do,
Kain na.
kain na tayo.
We're ready, guys. Get it, bros.
Alright. Fruit is life.
Fruit is life.
Ayan.
How was it? How was the experience right after we've tasted almost everything?
Yeah, so actually ako nag-enjoy ako dito. Almost everything nga. From Japanese cuisine, Chinese cuisine, Filipino cuisine, and mga iba't ibang klaseng cuisine.
Actually, guys, ako naman nag-enjoy ako dun sa kanilang mga dim sum section. Anyway, so guys, this is a great option, lalong-lalo na it's Friday and Saturday.
For family, friends.
Yes.
Yan.
Guys, if you like this video, if you like anything about this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and when you share it, please tag We're in Pampanga po so that we can like it as well.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.